It was like he was collecting them. Oh my goodness. Oh man. I'm literally 20 feet from that door and that smell is coming through there. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Like you could smell that coming.
Go in there. He just moved the refrigerator.
He moved the refrigerator? Oh, hold on. Oh my goodness. Oh my.
You guys better run.
Look at this. Dude, that's an inch thick of roach capsules. Oh my goodness. That's an inch thick of roach capsules. Of dead roaches. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Woo!
Who's on the other side? Well, I can on the other side pick it up.
Push, push. Oh wait, hold on. We're gonna have to wait a bit.
That whole refrigerator was filled with food.
That's empty, do you think, Al?
Yeah, yep.
What is it?
This is where they slept. Dog poop. You can see here. Look at this.
What is that thing?
Look at this.
Is that a big spot?
Oh, wow. Unreal.
Really old, slow.
Anybody need a fork?
I'm good.
There's hundreds of dead roaches everywhere. Mm. Oh yeah, when you walk out and you walk 30 feet from the house, you can smell it on your clothes. You better zip up, boy.
Oh, crap.
Got a glove down at the.
You got dog poop?
I can get this.
Look at the crap. Dude,
What?
look at the actual color of the carpet.
Oh, that's the color of the carpet? To this, to that, to this.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's a that's a big difference. That's a big difference, boys.
Sam, come get this, buddy.
You have to flip it up.
Look at how big this thing is.
Sam, you told me you deadlifted 580 pounds.
I'm down